Welcome back, educators. In this video, we're going to show you how to make the calendar that we're going to link to this calendar. So the first thing we need to do is open up Pages. Eventually it'll open up. And we're going to view all pages. And we're going to add a page. This one we're going to call Calendar. And what you want to start with initially is we want to make a table. This keeps everything neat for you. So let's select table. We're going to have 5 days in the week, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, we're doing the month. This is the calendar for the months. So we have, what do we have? 12 months. So we'll do a 4 by 3. Get all 12 months in there. You won't use all 12. Obviously, because you're not teaching through all 12, but I like to have all 12 in here anyways. So I'm going to start here with January. Now what I do here, and you don't have to get this fancy, you could just type January and you could link that, but that's not very exciting. So I come up here, and really even more exciting if you want, you go to jiffy.com. Let's try this. January. Hit enter. We got stickers. And let's see, I like that one. Come here, we're going to share. Copy the GIF. Come back to our page. And here we're going to insert. Ooh, wait a minute, we can't do that. Never mind, we can't do the jiffies. Maybe we get some transparent pics. January. Yeah, sometimes this is trial and error. I made all mine on Canva, and it looks like that's what we'll have to do. So if you go to Canva, Canva is a great tool. I've got this one open. I like to use a black background a lot, but we're just going to put January. Get rid of that picture. If you come down here to elements and just put January and see what they come up with. Let's see, something good for the kids. How about a hat? It's cold in January, right? Or fireworks. I like the fireworks. So I'll make that bigger. That. Let's make this a bit bigger. Something basic. You can go as fancy as you want or as simple as you want. It's up to you. I think that's fine for now. So we'll download PNG. Eagle mascot it's called, and we're going to have a lot of them. So we're going to come over here. We're going to insert. We're going to upload image. Upload image. It's called Eagle mascot. Submit. So we've got January. And again, just to make this as easy as possible, I don't want to take up all your time with designing stuff. So let's do February. And again, I mean, you could do something. That's a great thing about Canva. It'll give you all sorts of stuff. Let's do hearts for February. And download PNG. Back here, come into our second box. Insert the image, upload. And see how the boxes keep it all nicely separated. Let's go to March. And this will be the last one I do. Let's see what they have for March. Nothing great. Let's just go with the 4-leaf clover. we'll download this one and then we'll get going. The rest of them, we'll just imagine that they're there. Let's put this image in. But you get the point. But I just want these three in at the very least. So we've got that, and again, you can finish this later. But we're going to save and publish that. Now, when we're here, I can't do that. So when we're here, we're going to view, we're actually going to copy this up here. This up there in the, and what do you call that? The address box. You're going to copy that. And then we need to go into our Google Slides. This is the slide that we embedded as our home page. Now, whatever you do to this slide here, that's going to, because it's embedded, it's going to do it on the home page. So we want to click on our calendar. We want to click this little link button up here, this little insert link, and we're going to paste the link we just copied. So if we come back here and we come to our home screen again, if we click on this, it brings us straight to our calendar. But we're not done yet either. We still have to make a calendar, and you do that the same way that you would otherwise. The same way you would do these. You make the calendar. So for each one, so if we go here and we add a page, we'll call that January. And again, now we want to make our table. I do the 5 days of the week, and I tend to do about 5 down. You're not going to need any more than that. And then you choose up here, you want to put a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Just to start with. And let's bold all them and maybe put them at like 18 point. Now let's just say the first falls on a Monday. Let's go back to Canva. Let's get rid of this and let's just go January 1st. Put that there. And we're going to download, and here it comes down here. So again, same process, upload image, and so give me this one, there you go, January 1st. Submit, and there's January 1st, and of course you do the same thing for January 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, so on and so forth. So now we have January done. Let's save and publish that. Let's assume that we did them all. So I want you to go back to view all pages. I want you to go to the calendar page. I want you to edit. When you edit, you're going to click on January. Click our little linkable button here. Link. You're going to go to course link. Over here, you want to select pages. It's going to list all your pages. And click on January. That's going to link January. So now, when we come back here, let's get rid of this. Let's save. So now when we come to our home page, and we click on the calendar, and we click on January, it's going to bring us to the January calendar, and we have January 1st. Now there's one other stage that we need to do because we need this to point to what we want it to do. I'm going to show you how to make the another Google slide that shows you the day. And in the day, matter of fact, let me get an example here. Okay, so here's an example that I have of a beach for the page. Now, I always list the date here, so that would be your date. And then, of course, I always have my content and language objectives for the day. And these are all clickable. My academic language for the day, my academic standard for the day. I provide all my students with a slideshow, and I record my lesson for all of them to watch. Now, I've got to have the assignments click below because I can't actually have a clickable link for the assignments inside of Canvas. But once you make that, I'll tell you, well, let's make one real quick. Let's see, so we'll go here, we'll go to our apps, we'll go to our Google Slides. And then, so let's just take this one. This one's mine, so I'll just go here. We'll just copy that, and we'll get rid of that. Okay, and again with this, I make it the same way. I've got a jiffy there, I got a background, I put the jiffy there, a jiffy there, I throw my name up here. I've got the date. If students click on this, it's going to open up their content and language objectives that we're currently working on, the academic language or the vocabulary we're working on, the academic standard we're currently working on. Like I said, this will open up the slideshow that I used to teach, and this will give them a link to the recorded lesson for the day, and then I always have the assignments below there. So let's do this. A test day slide, just for fun. And then again, we're going to file, publish this to the web, embedded. Let's go with medium. The large didn't work very well last time. So we're going to publish it. We're going to copy. We're going to go to our Canvas page again. We're going to view all pages. We're going to add a page. We're going to call this January 1st. Click inside the box, insert, embedded, paste, submit. So now we have all of that ready to go. I will show you my next video. I will show you how to link all of this. How to link your content and language objectives, your academic language. All of this I will show you how to do, and also how to link your assignments below here. But for now, let's go through the steps one more time. We have one other thing we need to do to make this complete. We go to edit here. No, we didn't want to do that. Cancel. Let's view all pages. Because we have everything linked. We have our home page linked to our calendar linked to January. Now we link January to January 1st. So in January, hit edit. Click on this box. Go to your links, go to your course links. And we want January 1st. And we'll save. So let's say it's January 1st, your student couldn't make it to school that day, or you're teaching virtually. They log into your Canvas. They know to click on the calendar. They know that it's January. They click on January 1st. And right here it says whatever, Monday, January 1st. They got all their information here. They can watch the slideshow. They can look at the assignments below. They can watch your lesson. But again, we will get into editing this page in the next segment. All right, make sure you subscribe. I got plenty more coming. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thank you.